Okay, here we have a 2005 Honda Varadero 1000. Just came in part exchange. It is a part exchange to clear. We haven't put it through our workshop or anything like that, but it all looks good. Guy was using it. Tyres are good, brake pads look okay, discs are okay, it rides okay. I've actually ridden this bike myself, and yeah, it rides really well, pulls really strong. ABS light stays on, so it hasn't got a functioning ABS at the moment. Something that maybe the next owner could address themselves or just live with it. Entirely up to you. Might even want to break it, I don't know. The last owner actually owned it for the last 15 years, I think, something like that. It's got a nice pair of exhaust cans on it there. They sound really good. So all the consumables seem good, rides okay. Typical Varadero 1000 really. Black screen on it. It's going to have scuffs and marks all around it, maybe a bit of corrosion here and there. Yeah, typical 05 bike really. $38,753 miles. There you go, part exchange to clear, 2005 Honda Varadero 1000. Pop down, have a look, see what you think.